What is up, everyone? Welcome to another Luna Baduna special. So today we are going to be taking a look at this unboxing that I did for my 2021 M1 chip, I believe it has, iPad Pro. So I am upgrading from, I believe, the 6th generation iPad. Don't quote me on that. I will probably correct myself. But the iPad that I had, of course, it had the home button and everything. And it was one of the first iPads that was compatible with the Apple Pencil. But I found that for the things that I was trying to do with it, it just was not as powerful as I needed it to be. So I decided to go ahead and upgrade. So here I am just showing you guys the back, the front, and all the different sides. I was kind of surprised by how heavy the box was. I was not expecting the box to be that heavy, but thankfully the actual iPad is not that heavy at all. So taking the plastic off was a pretty satisfying experience. I'm sure most of y'all can relate to ripping the plastic off of a brand new toy. And here, getting the top off was kind of difficult, but I managed to do it. And we're also going to be taking some more plastic off of the actual iPad. It's so beautiful. I was so happy when I opened it up. I ended up getting the 256 gigabyte silver color, which the color doesn't really matter because we're going to go ahead and put a screen protector and a case on it. And all of the extra goodies that come with every iPad Pro, along with a charger. The packaging for the cord was actually kind of complicated, but I just managed to just rip it all off. I wasn't concerned with keeping it intact. So I'm going to go ahead and set the iPad to the side because we have some other accessories that we need to unbox. So I believe our case, our screen protector, and our Apple Pencil is in here. As you all may know, the iPad Pro is only compatible with the 2nd generation Pencil, so that's what we have. We also have a matte paper-like screen protector that I will be doing another video about, and give you guys kind of a review on that as well. And we also have our case, which is going to be, I'll let you guys guess what color it is before I open it. And if you guessed pink, you were right, of course. If you know anything about me, you know my favorite color is pink. My favorite color has kind of changed throughout the years, but I've settled on pink for now, which is why my nails are pink and my water bottle is pink, and you get the idea. So this has a magnetic flap on the side. What that is going to cover up the Apple Pencil, so whenever it is on the iPad and charging, it'll just have an extra little layer of protection. So here I am just installing my screen protector. It came with all of these little sticky things that you put on the back that will also attach to the screen protector. And here I'm just getting any smudges off. The one thing that I hate when applying screen protectors is if I have any dust or any air bubbles or any type of imperfection, it just grinds my gears for at least a couple of days. I usually get over it, but you know, it's just that nagging thing in my mind, like, I just could not get this right. So you're gonna see me attempt to install this, and I think I do a pretty good job. It wasn't really that difficult. You know, they provide you with so many things so that you don't mess it up. And there, I almost put it upside down, so that would have been terrible. But they provide you with so many things. The blue thing kind of in the front there is actually, I guess you could say, it's like a squeegee thing, and it is the perfect device for getting air bubbles out of the screen protector for an iPad. And I definitely am going to keep it because it is just the perfect device for putting on screen protectors. And I'm just getting any last minute pieces of dust off that I see, and here I'm taking off the back part, and I am going to place that on top beautifully. And we're going to take the top part off, and you can see that there's like a ton of air bubbles, but we're going to get those out in just a second. And the air bubbles came out pretty easily, so was not worried at all. And you'll see at the very end that we actually do have a flawless install. So I do recommend that you definitely use all the tools provided for you in the package, and of course I will link everything below. But after drawing and taking notes and everything and watching videos on this screen with the screen protector on, I can say that I don't really recommend this particular one because I think the texture of it was way too much. So, and here I'm just struggling trying to figure out how to put this on, but the texture on the screen protector was a little bit too much, and so the screen wasn't very clear. And my Apple Pencil, which I'm about to open here in a little bit, the nib actually wore down a lot quicker than I was used to. So with my previous iPad, which did have a Paperlike screen protector, matte screen protector on it, the nib didn't wear down for several months. And so I didn't have to change it for several months. But with this one, the nib wore down in like a couple of weeks. And so I guess I just naturally press a little hard when I take my notes, probably due to all the anxiety that I have now and stress. But anyways, the point is I have since changed screen protectors, and I will be doing another video about which screen protector I switched to and why and how I feel about it now. And so here I'm just opening the little silicone cases that I got for my iPad Pencil, and I have to say that I think it really does complete the look. I totally butchered opening that, but I have no problems charging my pencil with this on. It fits perfectly. It was kind of a pain to get on, but once it was on, I felt like it was very secure and it wasn't going anywhere. So, and it was very aesthetically pleasing and just made my pencil a little bit more comfortable to hold. So really take your time trying to get this on, because you're not going to get it on otherwise. You just have to suffer through it. But I believe in you. You can power through. So here I am turning it on for the first time. Very satisfying seeing that Apple logo in the middle for the first time. I was so excited to get it installed and set up. I was kind of having a little bit of a hard time syncing my previous iPad to this iPad. I really just wanted to copy it completely, which I did end up doing. As you can see, I opened up Notability here, which is where I take all of my notes for school. And here I'm just opening up some random note. I think this is general pathology, and I'm going to test out the drawing capabilities of the Apple Pencil on here and just see how it feels with the screen protector. Now, I will say that it does feel like you're a little bit more like you're writing on paper, but like I said, I'll do another video about the screen protector. So that pretty much wraps this video up, guys. If you have any questions, concerns, comments, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below, and I'll try to get back to you and answer all of your questions as best as I can. But until then, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.